Alright, y'all. Another video from Mountain Dew Modeling. And this is the finale on Deep Junk Garage's shop truck group build. She turned out sweet. It's a 72 Chevy Cheyenne. Red two-toned interior. Got my vise on the back. My redneck flatbed. I just took the bottom halves of two beds and made one. You can still kind of see where I cut it, but whatever. Did some USA 1 plate on the front. Skull head shifter with red eyes, if y'all can see it. And the crown jewel of this build. Hang on now. Me trying not to break nothing opening this. This thing is fragile. This thing is fragile. 12 valve Cummins. Under the hood. I got it. The hood stacked. I just cut the tip off an old pin and stuck it in there. Got my Cheyenne badging. I couldn't find any tow mirrors for this thing, so I had to just use the regular mirrors. That's gonna probably bother me, but whatever. Yeah, what do y'all think? I do good? Yeah, I do good. Tail lights, I took the stock Chevy tail lights and stuck them under there. STP on the mud flaps. Ooh, yeah, I was like, there it is. Mac Tools decal on the back window. My marker lights, Cheyenne leak decals. Oh, you can see the motor through the fender well too. I'm very happy with this build. Pausing for a sec again. This hood is a pain in the butt to get on. There we are. Just love the front end of these 72 Cheyennes. But alright, y'all. Tell me what you think. I'm really happy with it. This is probably one of the more definitely builds where I've really had to use my brain. That's because nothing on this thing wanted to fit together. Nothing. But alright, y'all. Got some stuff in the bed. Alright, y'all. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Have a good day, y'all. Tell me how it looks. Bye.